We gather here today to celebrate the beautiful union, a union of love of Elio Hazmil and Eunice Carla. We witness and rejoice in the holy sacrament of matrimony as they embark on a new chapter in their lives.
You are the puzzle piece I never thought I needed. The 16-year-old me who used to pen love letters to a fictional Mr. Right guy would be so ecstatic to know that finally, nahanap din kita. Kaya tagal kong naghintay for the right one, and we are here.
Nahanap din kita. Nahanap din kita.
You're being reminded that marriage is bound by love. And through that love, you become one. Mobito nang anindot kay taog terms sa kaminyoon, kapikas, kabiya, you're another half. Kulang sa Elio Hazmil kung walay Eunice Carla. Kulang po si Eunice Carla kung walay Elio Hazmil.
Daan ko ay patungo, ay pabalik sa iyo.
Eunice, as I stand here today, ready to embark on this journey of love and commitment, reminded of the moments that led us here. A couple weeks ago, as I struggled to find the right words, I realized that our story is not just about words, but about silent understanding that bind us together. Reflecting on where it all began, I see how our connection blossomed from the most unexpected places.
Wedding is a single day, while marriage is a lifelong commitment. A commitment you are ready to take on.
Puso'y pumipilis ang tibok, ang iyong mga mata'y parang tala.
I've been lost a few times, but this time, I am more than sure of the road that I'm taking because I'm taking it with you. Thank you, Lord, for Elio.
Ikaw ang sagot sa panalangin. Ikaw ang tanging iibigin.
It was the beginning of a beautiful journey that led us here to this moment. Eunice, today, I choose you. I vow to choose you every single day as my wife. I vow to love you, not only with words, but with actions. To laugh with you in joy, to cry with you in sorrow, to share in your excitement and adventure, and to grow alongside you in every way imaginable.
I feel the prettiest despite my insecurities whenever you stare at me with those sparkly eyes. I love how you laugh so loudly and hug me tightly whenever you feel kilig or feel embarrassed watching a movie. You have helped me realize that I deserve nice things in life, and you help me get them. But perhaps what touches me the most is your genuine interest in the things that matter to me, no matter how trivial they may seem.
Ay humihinto,
My dearest Bobby, as cliche as it may sound, but Bobby, you complete me. I am certain that nothing was missing before you came along. But somehow, when you came along, you made me feel more complete. You are the puzzle piece I never thought I needed.
ikaw ang sagot sa panalangin. Ikaw ang tanging iibigin.
Together, we embark on life's adventure hand in hand. With all that I am and all that I have, I give you my hand, my love, and myself. I embrace journey ahead, embracing both the known, the unknown, the bad, the good, and everything yet to come. This is my promise, and now and forever.
Mga kamay magkahawak sa ilalim.
Jamil, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Dumating, di ka iiwan kahit sa dilim.
Lagi na nagita ka rin diri. Mamalan ka rin adlaw kaya nakisakit sa ulo. After everything, let's enjoy the rest of our life now. I love you.
Ikaw ang sagot sa panalangin. Ikaw ang tanging iibigin.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father. In your arms, I found my home, and with you, I've discovered a love that is so beautifully uncomplicated. I will choose to love you from this day forward, for better or for worse, even after death parts us. Love you.